Sadhu, tell me something about photography as such. Current our audience is watching you, and they must be watching with bated breath, because many of them are aspiring photographers. How do you start with photography in the first place?
One thing I will tell you that camera is not a criteria.
Okay. Equipment is not a
criteria because
cameras that does not.
No, yeah. if I use the best of the paints, if I use best of the thing, I will not become Picasso.
That's true. That is true. Absolutely.
But if a person who has huge talent, okay, and if a simple equipment can come up with beautiful painting. Same thing over here.
Okay.
So first of all, for camera is not a thing. What is required is passion. Okay, like the only three things required to become a good photographer: and interest. That's it. If you have strong passion, if you really think you like photography, then you can just start off. You can start off with your mobile camera. You can start off with your small digicam. It's not that you need to have SLR or DSLR. But yes, if you really want to go ahead, then you require that.
Your students, how do they go about, in the sense once they move out, do you guide them as to how to go about, which genre to pick, whether they are having some interest in them, you try to focus them on that, and how do you go about commercially as well, because that is also something that is required.
Correct.
If they move out, you might be passionate, you might be painting or like painters, and you might be clicking photographs like photographers.
Correct.
But if you are interested into it, you are going to go into commercial aspect of it. So how do you go about that?
Okay. One thing is that once the student passes away from academy, during the classes, don't need to have a camera because I provide everything in the class.
Okay.
Now here is where our academy is different from others.
Okay.
Because when I say a student passed out, I don't think he's passed out from it. He becomes a part of it as long as he wants to.
Okay.
Yeah. Now here is the catch here, because every Sunday morning we go for photo box.
Okay.
I would say that a person learning begins when the course ends.
Okay.
Because every Sunday we meet, we go early morning, we go to one village, we shoot for 3 hours. Now ideology behind this photo box is because we are recording Goa the way it is now.
Okay.
If you want to see what Goa was 50 years back, we can go rewind in time. But the only criteria is your photograph. And second thing, like as far as commercials are concerned, I got 3 more advanced courses. I got art photography, I got tabletop and advertising photography, and 6 months fashion photography workshop.
There are specialized
Specialized.
Okay.
If anybody wants to do commercial photography, they are welcome.
Okay.
And I guide them. I guide even as a part of the module. I guide them how to go about how to convert a passion to profession.
Okay.
It's a part of the course. Okay. So I guide them, and we are constantly in touch. It's like a family now.
Okay.
Now so much so that it has gone. CMYK has gone beyond photography.
Okay.
Now we celebrate all the festivals. Eid, Holi, Diwali, Christmas. Okay. We meet together. Then we help some social issues. Okay. Then we help social issues. Pick up social issues. Okay. We go to help underprivileged people. We go to old age homes. We help them out somewhere because these people, they don't require money or food because their supply is coming from anywhere. What they really require is human touch.
Tell me something about your passion for photography. Besides your students' passion for photography.
I've been passionate from.
How was that triggered? How was that triggered? Because you said you got interested into photography since very long in your childhood. How was that triggered? Like many people got triggered because of you.
I was always interested in photography. I can remember one name I will name over here, and always will respect this person because you said I triggered many people, but this guy before me triggered countless of people.
Okay.
This guy is Thomas Vaz.
Okay.
Okay. Thomas Vaz was one person who made many people pick up the cameras.
Okay.
And this was the eras of 60s, 70s, and 80s. Okay. Now I was growing up next to him.
Okay.
Yeah, he's my neighbor.
Okay.
And
he's a Napshakar.
Napshakar.
Okay.
Okay, the mother Samu Shezari.
Okay.
And a very good family friend. Was very close to my daddy. His brother was close to my daddy.
Okay.
And my passion which was there inside me, I would go to the house. I would see his pictures on the wall, black and white. I would get stunned. And that was the reason. Okay. And as I grew up, okay, I will tell you the shift.
Yeah.
Okay, that first turning point.
Okay.
When I started working in the bank, I took up a camera. I started snapping pictures. People appreciated that. Okay, but to turn my passion to profession, there's something happened. Okay, I love reading. Okay, they have a saying in Marathi, so वाचेल तो वाचेल. Those people who read, they will survive.
Yeah,
and it's so true. This one habit of mine actually changed me. I came across a book called See You at the Top
Okay.
by Zig Ziglar.
Okay.
And in the book he says,
The motivational guru.
motivational book. In the book he says, we all are gifted with one talent, at least one talent.
Right.
The most difficult part is to search and find what it is.
Yeah, absolutely true. Yeah.
Okay. Second thing he says is to hone it or to develop it or to train that talent. And the third is to cash on it.
Right.
And I did exactly that. The day I discovered photography was a thing, I never looked back.
Shifting back again to the exhibition in Kala Academy Memorabilia, which is in memory of your parents, which is a great thing. I mean, आज कोण आवय बाबांक व्हडला रेस्पेक्ट दिना उदान भितर तूं दिता इज अ ग्रेट थिंग. जाल्यार हे हातून तुवें आतां इतल्या एक्झिबिशनान इतल्या भुरग्यांक तुवें प्रोत्साहन दिलां, भुरगेच म्हणटा हांव तांकां, इवन इफ दे मायट बी 60, जाल्यार कॅन यू आयडेंटिफाय 4 or 5 if you don't mind saying who
One
you
name
think?
that comes to mind is Ashu Dhon.
Okay.
Okay. Another name comes my Javendra Londo.
Okay.
Okay. Another person that really comes to my mind is Madhav Swar. He's done very well there. Chetna Bhatt. Okay. She's done very good. Aparna Balasubramaniam. If you see her work, she's done a lot of tabletop shots.
Okay.
Done very well. So these same names they can come to my mind fast. And Earl Brito,
Okay.
was a fantastic wildlife photographer. He does a lot of on birds. These pictures comes to mind. Yeah, these names come to mind. And Pooja Lavande, if you see her pictures,
Yeah.
she does a lot of art.
Yeah, that's true.
And another guy who does good art and candid pictures is Pankaj Kotarkar.
Oh.
So these names truly stand
So
out.
we can look up to these people
Yes,
in the near future.
Yes,
They are the future.
They are the future.
Oh, tell our audience something that will remain with them, and they'll be able to use that in their life
Yes.
and advise.
Yes. See, we all are Goans. Love our land. Okay. Because you have in your hand something that can stop the time. Look at camera as a something that can stop the time. Wherever you may be, wherever you are, if you find something, a beautiful house, shoot the picture, click the picture. It could be a mobile phone. The next morning, the house could not be there. It's quite possible the house might have gone for construction. But I'm so sure the time will come when your grandchildren will say, what Goan house will look like. We'll have to show only the photographs. So please record Goa the way you are, wherever you are, whatever you do, because this beautiful land which is created by God. Okay, let us keep it as the God-loving land. That's my first thing. And second thing, if you really like photography, don't think of anything, just do it. You may think that camera captures pictures. Camera is just a tool to give it a tangible form. And trust me, photographs are not captured in the camera. Photographs are captured in the mind. Unless and until there's something in the mind, nothing will come in the camera. It's just like painting. Just go ahead and shoot pictures.
म्हजे 3 फोटोज लागिल्ले आसात. एक बेस्ड ऑन फॅशन फोटोग्राफी, बेजिकली पोर्टफोलियोज आमी कशे घेतात तशें, आनी वन इज बेस्ड ऑन वायल्ड लायफ आनी फॅशन दोनूय खूब डिफरंट तरेची हें, पूण आमी तातून स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग घेतिल्लें. सो वायल्ड लायफ फोटोग्राफी इज बेस्ड ऑन अ स्नेक which is a viper, very poisonous snake, and I managed to capture it quite well. CMYK gives a lot of exposure. कितें जर आमकां शूट्स आयले प्रसाद ऑलवेज फॉरवर्ड्स इट टू अस, सो आमकां करपाक मेळटा. सो वी आर क्वायट ओपन टू द वर्ल्ड, मे बी इन द फोटोग्राफीक.
My 3 of my works are put up, and I'm very happy of them. One of them was a sunset which is taken at Diwar. I like to click simple pictures, like which audience understand, rather than basically which audience understand and easy to communicate. And that is what I've tried to portray for this exhibition. Rather, there were many other pictures also, but this is what I've portrayed as my favorite photos. But this academy has helped me a lot. I've started long back, 1.5 year back, That time I started just as a hobby, but slowly attending the photo walks and guidance of Prasad Pankar, it helped me. It really helped me, and now I'm thinking of taking it as a profession.
Well, three of my photographs are displayed in memorabilia. I sort all the pictures in terms of fashion. Two of my photographs displayed black and white, and I tried playing with lights and shadows. That was the main thought. And the third photograph is completely different. It's colorful and vibrant, and there's no much shadows. It's plain, but yet it displays the colorful of emotions of the girl who's there. And CMYK journey has been very memorable and wonderful, especially with Mr. Prasad Pankar, who has always been a guide, a teacher, a philosopher for all of us, taking us through various genres of photography and helping us at every stage that we require him, not only in training as to become a photographer, but also to become a good human being apart from photography also.
Well, my pictures in the exhibition are like all the fashion pictures, and the thought behind my pictures were mostly the incorporation of all the lights, the expressions, because right now we're currently doing fashion photography course with Prasad Pankar. Well, I just wanted to incorporate all that we had studied during the course period, and I just wanted to show up the expressions and the attitudes, the different lights that we had learned, and the color combination as well. Well, this academy has given me a lot, from being a professional from a 9 to 10 job. I've come to a freelance photographer. Prasad Pankar has been a guru, a critic, a great friend. He gives you a lot of exposure. It's a very down-to-earth person, very caring, and in terms of teaching, very precise and clear. Well, it's the best that has been for me, like for the 10 years of my experience in work. Is that?
माझे 3 फोटो डिस्प्ले केल्या फॉर द एक्झिबिशन. तितूंतलो एक फोटो आसा तो एक भूत आनी एक हे आसा आवय आसा, आनी ती अशी विचार करतात की आमची लायफ कशी आसा आनी काडपाचो मुद्दो कितें की तेंचो लायफ एट द मोमेंट म्हाका कॅप्चर करपाक जाय आशिल्लो की ती भूत काय आवय कितें सांगता, सो तो म्हाका कॅप्चर करपाक आशिल्लो. एक दुसरो फोटो आसा तो आवयक नाल्यार बायल एक स्टेप्सा वयल्यान देंवता, ताच्या सकयल एक चित्र आसा. सो तो असो टायम केला की तो चिंतता, म्हणजे हांव चिंतता की ती बायल कलरफूल लायफ हें केल्या काय, जगल्या काय आतां कितें तिजे ओल्ड एज ती आतां ती बबल दाखयल्या सकयल की तो वयर वयता काय ती, अशें दाखोवपा खातीर हें केलां.
मेमोरेबलिया हें एक्झिबिशन प्रसाद पंकाराचे CMYK हातूंतल्यान जे स्टुडंट्स भायर सरल्यात तांचे फोटोग्राफी शो, ताच्या आवय आनी बापायचे हें इतलें सुंदर एक्झिबिशन, इतले सुंदर फोटोग्राफ्स तुमकां नक्कीच आवडले आसले, हातूंत दुबाव ना. आमची आयची कार्यावळ हांगाच सोंपता. तुमचे जर कसलेय सजेशन्स असले जाल्यार आमकां ह्या पत्त्याचेर कळोवचें, nagesh@prudentmedia.in. तर आमी परत मेळया फुडल्या बिरेस्तारा सांजवेच्या 7:30 वरांचेर. तो मेरेन पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया.